11. Break into something. Meaning, enter forcibly. Example, the fireman had to break into the room to rescue the children. 12. Break something in. Meaning, wear something a few times so that it doesn't look or feel new. Example, I need to break these shoes in before we run next week. 13. Break in. Meaning, interrupt. Example, the TV station broke in to report the news of the president's death. 14. Break up. Meaning, end a relationship. Example, my boyfriend and I broke up before I moved to America.
15. Break up.
Meaning, start laughing, informal. Example, the kids just broke up as soon as the clown started talking.
16. Break out. Meaning, escape. Example, the prisoners broke out of jail when the guards weren't looking. 17. Break out in something. Meaning, develop a skin condition. Example, I broke out in a rash after our camping trip. 18. Bring someone down. Meaning, make unhappy. Example, this sad music is bringing me down. 19. Bring someone up. Meaning, raise a child. Example, my grandparents brought me up after my parents died. 20. Bring something up. Meaning, start talking about a subject. Example, my mother walks out of the room when my father brings up sports.